Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 48. This question is from GATE 2008 examination. Let us read the question. A single phase full bridge converter supplies a load drawing a constant and ripple free load current. Okay, so load current is constant, means the load is a highly inductive. If the triggering angle is 30 degree, if alpha is given, it is equal to 30 degree. Okay, the input power factor will be, okay, this is a full bridge converter. Okay, so for full bridge converter, for RL load or RL E load, what is the input power factor? It is equal to, yes, 0.9 into cos alpha, right? So we can write directly it as a zero point 0.9 into cos 30 degree, right? We already discussed this expression in the previous videos. So if you check, it is a zero point 0.9 into cos 30, 0.9 into cos of 30 degree. So it is equal to 0.78, 0.78. Okay, input power factor is equal to 0.70. Okay, so correct option is option B. So this is about the question number 48. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 49. Thank you.